Come on, Austin, look. Now you can go. You could talk.
Thank you
And for
all this stuff.
And what else?
I give you your present.
And what else?
Everything on this couch.
What do it mean to you?
I want some money. To me, it means love.
Do you appreciate it?
Yes,
Well, say it.
I appreciate this.
Look at the camera.
I appreciate this.
Appreciate what?
This notebook. All my gifts.
Look at the camera.
All my gifts.
And what else? Last but not least.
I love you.
And you'll call.
I'll call you.
All right. Thanks, Aunt Pat. Merry Christmas to you. I'm Deja and Shamir and Austin. Talk to you later. Bye. Shamir, say bye.
Bye.
And say thank you.
Thank you.
Goofy.
Go blow your nose.
Go blow your